Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I am going to explain regarding DOL starter. Okay, this is a circuit diagram of the DOL starter. First I will give a brief explanation regarding starters and why we are using starters. After that I will give a detailed explanation of the circuit diagram. Okay, let's see. DOL starter. Okay, the motor draws 5 to 7 times the full load current while starting. Okay, to avoid motor from burnout and heating due to high starting current, we are using starters. Okay, that is mainly for safety purpose. DOL starter is the simplest kind of starter that connect motor directly to the power supply through three-phase contactor. This is the simplest form, and we have auto transformer, star delta transformer starters also. DOL starter consists of contactor, circuit breaker and overload relay for protection against damage. Induction motors of low power ratings are started by this method, as higher powered ones take excessive starting current. Okay, for higher powered ones we have auto transformer and star delta transformer starters. Okay, only low powered motors we are using DOL starter, as higher powered ones take higher starting current, so there will be very high voltage dip. Okay, that's why we are not using DOL starter for higher powered motors. DOL starter mainly consists of two main protection parts, overcurrent protection and overload protection. For overload protection we have overload relays. For overcurrent protection we have fuses, breakers, etc. Now let's see the starter diagram. Okay, this is the DOL starter diagram. We see here this is a power circuit and this is a control circuit. Okay, power circuit is color coded RYB phases. Okay, red, yellow, black. This L1, L2, L3 are the three-phase supply. Okay, supply is indicated as L1, L2, L3. MCCB is the molded case circuit breaker. This is the main breaker. Okay, this KM is the main conductor. These are the main conductor contacts, and this is the main conductor coil. Okay, this is the overload relay. Overload relay is against for overload protection of the motor. Okay, L1, L2, L3 are the three phases of the motor. This is a motor, three-phase motor. Okay, three-phase induction motor. This is a power circuit. Now let's see the control circuit. We have taken two phases. That is, out of three phases, we have taken two phases. That is 440 volt, which is converted into 220 by the transformer. Okay, which is taken as control circuit. This is a 2 ampere, two fuses. This is the emergency stop, to stop in case of any emergency. Okay, this is a overload relay, one NC contact. This will open in case of overload. Okay, this is a stop button which is normally closed. This is a start button which is normally open. This is the main conductor coil. Okay, I already told this is the main conductor. This is the contacts of the main conductor. This is the coil A1, A2. Okay, we know here transformer secondary is 220. That means this coil voltage will be 220 volt. Okay, here this is the retaining contact for the coil of the contactor. Okay, that is in case after starting this will release, therefore supply will be continuous through this contact. This is a green light for indication that motor is running. Okay, this is a red light for overload indication. We see here one NO contact is there, overload. That is, in case of overload it will make and this will glow, showing that overload happened. Okay, now let's see how the circuit diagram works. We already know this transformer secondary is 220 is going to here up to here is waiting, and one side is going to A2. So when we press the start button, this A1 and A2 give a 220 volt supply. Okay, it will get 220 volt supply and it will energize. When this coil energizes, its contacts, this one is normally open contact, it will close, it will act as a retaining circuit. Okay, and this main contacts will close and the motor will get supply through overload relay and the motor starts running. This is the simplest starting procedure. Okay, and in case we want to stop, we have to press this stop button, then supply will cut off. So this coil will de-energize and its contacts will open. Therefore motor stops. And in case of any overload, this overload relay contact, this is normally closed contact, will open and the supply to this coil will cut off. Okay, therefore motor will stop, and this NO contact will close and this red light will glow, showing that overload relay energized, that is motor is overload condition. Okay, and in case of any emergency we want to stop, we can stop through by pressing this button. Okay, this is a starting and stopping of the DOL starter. I think everybody got understood about this starter diagram. Okay, if any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box below. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.